Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Tech AI. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to create an avatar using Wombo Dream. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It's quite easy. If you don't know how to, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to create an avatar in Wombo Dream. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply click on this plus icon, which will redirect you to this page, that is create artwork. From here, as you can see, there are three tabs, namely text, image, and the most obvious one, avatar. Click on it. Now from here, what you guys need to do is simply select an image using the gallery function or camera. Select whatever you wish. I'm gonna select one image right now. Well guys, that is it. As you can see, I have selected the image. Do note that you can also crop it out. It's up to you. Once you are okay with it, simply hit on next. And guys, that's it. Well, as you can see, the image has been uploaded. Now what you guys need to do is simply enter your prompt right here and hit on create. I'm gonna do it right now. Well, I have entered the prompt. Now I'm just gonna hit on create. And guys, that's it. As you can see, our avatar is being created. This is it guys. As you can see, our avatar has been created. You can simply publish it, share it, or download. That is it guys. That's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.